In this video, we'd find the expression of loss of energy due to sharing of charges between two conductors. So first of all, consider two conductor. The first one is A and the second one is B. And A has a capacitance C and potential V1, and B has a capacitance C2 and potential V2. Now C1 has the charges Q1 and C2 has the charge Q2. So from this we can write that Q1, that is equal to C1 into V1, and Q2, that is equal to C2 into V2. So the total charge of these two conductor would be like Q total, that's equal to Q1 plus Q2, that's equal to C1 V1 plus C2 V2. Okay. Now the energy of these two conductors before we connect wire between this conductor would be half of C1 V square plus half of C2 V2 square. And from the conservation of charges, we can say that charges of these two conductor before we connect the wire and after we connect the wire would be equal. So Q total before and after is equal. So before, the charges are C1 V1 plus C2 V2, and after that is equal to, after that we would connect a wire, conducting wire between these two conductors, so it will share its charges and give a constant potential at, or a common potential V. So we can say that is V, so C1 V1 plus C2 V, that is the total charge after we connect the wire. So from this we can calculate the common potential V, and from this V equal to C1 V1 plus C2 V2 by C1 plus C2. Okay. Now we have to calculate the energy of the system after sharing the charges. So that is half of C1 V square plus half of C2 V square, that is equal to half of C1 plus C2 into V square. And now we have to put the value of V square, that is from this. Okay. Now you just have to simplify this expression. Okay. And the remaining part would be half of C1 V1 plus C2 V2 whole square by C1 plus C2. And now we can calculate the energy, that is loss of energy due to sharing of charges. So that is E2 minus C1, and first of all E1 minus C2. So first of all we put the value of E1, that is half of C1 V1 square plus half of C2 V2 square minus, that is E2, and E2 has the value half of C1 V1 plus C2 V2 whole square by C1 plus C2. Now to simplify this expression, so this will be like this. Okay, multiply this term, so it will be C1 square V1 square plus C1 C2 V1 square plus C1 C2 V2 square plus C2 square V2 square minus, put the formula of A plus B whole square, so it will be C1 square V1 square minus twice C2 square V2 square minus twice C1 C2 V1 V2. Okay, it is C1 C2 V1 V2. Okay, now you can see some terms will be cancelled out, that is the C1 V1 square and C1 V1 square will be cancelled, and this C2 V2 square and this C2 V2 square cancelled out, and we have to write the remaining terms there, so it will be like this. Okay, so the remaining parts are C1 C2 common minus twice C1 C2 V1 V2 total by twice C1 plus C2. Okay, and from this we can take common C1 C2, and the remaining part will be V1 square plus V2 square minus twice V1 V2. This is equal to C1 C2 by twice C1 plus C2 into V1 minus V2 whole square. And that is the expression of loss of energy due to sharing of charges between two conductors. And you can see this term is C1 C2 by twice C1 plus C2 into V1 minus V2 whole square. Okay.